The Specialized Turbo Vado 5.0 SL is a terrific superlight e-bike with top-tier components, including that SRAM drivetrain, the Tektro hydraulic disc brakes. It's a beautiful bike. The display is simple and minimalistic, which I personally love. I'm not somebody who needs a giant screen on their handlebars. The Vado SL is comfortable, it delivers on its promise, and it has great range. Speaking of which, one of the best optional features, a sleek water bottle-sized range extender battery that extends range on this bike north of 100 miles. My biggest regret buying a Vado SL was buying one without the rack and fenders. Well, why is that? That's because the non-EQ frame, like the one that I bought, it doesn't have the necessary built-in rack and fender mounts. So if you want to add those items later, you almost can't. However, the Vado SL is such a terrific bike. It's comfortable, it looks great, it has great accessories and components, and of course it has that specialized legacy infrastructure to back everything up. It's just a damn good bike. I love that Specialized smartly implements a tiered approach which offers both the brushed aluminum bikes with a little lower priced components on there to lower the overall price, and then they also have that higher priced, more specced out carbon fiber version. If you really like that carbon fiber feel, which I do, you almost can't make a decision without grabbing one of those and trying it out. Just like with Apple's strategy, Specialized provides consumers excellent tiered options. I think this is a great strategy.